weeks. Let's schedule a call to discuss how we can drive growth together. Bam, book your meeting. Here's the link. Done for you. However, if you don't do it that way, you all will very much risk the banning. And we don't want that, because honestly, to work a LinkedIn account, choose the platform. I would say LinkedIn is probably the best choice. My name is Mikael Lindbeck. I am the founder of GoPartnering. So basically what we do is we build the bridge between business needs and AI solutions.
I have 25 years experience in sales, in lead generation and voice agents as well. Gather leads, where you gather phone numbers and so on. If you handle all manually, it takes hours or days or sometimes weeks that the people gets an answer. Voice bot gets a lead and can call it in between of 30 seconds. So the customers are so surprised that because you're very fast. It's very important to be fast because you have high competition. So if you're not the last one who calls the customer, you're the first one who calls the customer in between 30 seconds.
Also think about your clients, your ideal clients, in this case, the dental office. If we can be crystal clear, what are their struggles, what are their day-to-day challenges, what are their pain points, now you can become that solution provider. And to make this really...
If you're really serious about outreach in terms of automation, you also might need to look into what's called proxy. So proxy is basically, to just briefly, the two alternatives that LinkedIn provides that gives you higher limits. The first one is called LinkedIn looks at that account as something that hasn't been active, basically almost like a cold calling account.
What is the pain point of the customer? And not only, sitting there and I'm the best, I can give you this and this and this and this. The most important is to understand what the customer needs. He has a good partner in front of him who can care about him, who can solve his problems and so on.
To actually make your profile as attractive as possible for the potential client.
Make it so simple so that as soon as they see your profile, they know what you're about and they know exactly how to contact you.
Many times, they might not even really care about you or what you do or don't do. They care about themselves, first of all.
But there's hundreds of people who told me the same thing. What makes you different, right? You have to understand their story, their struggles, and all these kind of stuff.